What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. We're going to be making a delicious burrito today, kind of like an egg breakfast burrito, but it's going to have rice and beans and all these other super nutritious and delicious ingredients, fresh onions, super colorful, delicious, and nutrition dense. So let's get right to work. Alright, so let's go over what we're using for ingredients in this burrito. We're going to make like an egg scramble out of the organic tofu. I have another video showing basically how I do this. It's really simple. It's actually, I like it better than eggs without the fat and the cholesterol. So we're gonna do an egg scramble, and then we got some big tortillas here. These are giant El Paso, I think the old El Paso, and they're really big. They're almost like Chipotle sized tortillas. So I'm going to be using those. I got organic extra firm tofu, about one diced Roma tomato, a half of a sliced red onion, about a half a cup, about a cup of mushrooms. These are cut in half then sliced thin. Fresh cilantro, about 2 tablespoons. This is some leftover basmati rice, veg broth to cook with, 1 can of organic black beans rinsed, turmeric to give color to the tofu, make it look like egg, also to add some more antioxidants, Dijon mustard for flavor, and this is my own homemade hot sauce that I'll be adding for heat. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of black pepper because it helps to activate the properties in the turmeric. So I'll be using some cracked fresh pepper at the end there that I forgot to put in the beginning of the ingredients. So that's basically all the ingredients that we're going to be using. First thing we're going to do is we're going to drain this tofu and we're going to start cooking it. Alright, so basically we're going to drain our tofu, and it's got a lot of water in it. We'll see, you have probably already worked with tofu before. So we're gonna get all that water gone from there by straining it. And this is basically how I do it. I just crumble it, push it down. They have tofu presses too. I just don't have one. I use this method and it always has worked great for me. So we're gonna break it up just into crumbles. I'm gonna press the water out. Alright, now we're gonna set this aside, dump that water, put it in here. Alright, now to this, we're gonna go ahead and add our turmeric. About a teaspoon or so. Gonna mix it. It's gonna give some beautiful egg-like color and also some nice underlying flavor. So it's got basically 3 benefits of using it in here. The nutritional value of turmeric as an anti-inflammatory is amazing, especially when you combine it with cracked pepper, and it colors the egg, adds amazing flavor, almost like a eggy kind of a flavor. Turmeric, earthy, really delicious with tofu. So as you can see there, it's already starting to look like egg. I'm gonna add a little bit more, just give it a little more color, probably like a heaping teaspoon total. So now we got all this mixed together. I'm gonna just set it aside there. I'm gonna go over to our pan, and we're gonna go medium, 275 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm gonna add in our veg broth. Let it heat up a little bit. Now we're gonna add in our onions, mushrooms, tomato. I'm gonna start stirring that in. And we're gonna cook it till it softens. About 3 to 4 minutes before we add our tofu in. And we'll come right back. So now that our mushrooms and onions are nice and soft, we're gonna go ahead and add our tofu. Alright, you're gonna stir this in a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of that fresh cracked black pepper to activate that turmeric, and also flavor, of course. Everything is multi-purpose when I cook. Right, and at this point, when this is cooked, not before, I'm gonna add some of my black salt to add the nice eggy flavor, and you won't be able to tell that you're not eating egg when you add this in. So basically just mix this in and it'll have a beautiful egg flavor and taste. If you guys don't know where to get black salt, I'll provide the link below, and you can make egg salad, all kinds of things. It tastes just like egg by adding that ingredient in. So that's basically the egg recipe. And I'm actually gonna take the tortilla, put it in the oven for about 30 seconds to soften, and then we're gonna go ahead and build it. Alright guys, so here is the final recipe of our nutrition-packed breakfast burrito. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to give us a thumbs up and share if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so here is the moment of truth. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste for you guys, let you know what I think. Wow. Really, really good. I think this is the first time I ever used honey Dijon in a burrito like this. It has a nice little zest with like a little bit of sweetness. The beans taste super fresh. The cilantro in there adds an amazing herby fresh flavor. Some nice heat from my hot sauce. The egg is super silky. Has a nice egg flavor from the black salt. This is an amazing recipe and will also be super filling because it's got so much fiber and nutrients dense foods in it. Also a lot of protein.